Okay, I'm gonna go start. Um, okay. Hello, my name is Jesus David Arias. I am a medical student. And this is my weekly routine. I'm gonna start with Sunday. Sunday at 5, half past. I sleep. I wake up really at 11 o'clock, and after I prepare my lunch at 12 o'clock. I lunch and 12 half past. I watch TV and 1 o'clock I watch TV and 1 half past I sleep. That is at morning. At morning on Monday, I always wake up at 5 half past at morning, and then at 6 o'clock I take a shower, and then I get ready to go to the hospital. And 7 o'clock at morning I study at the hospital. I start at 7 o'clock and finish at 11 half past, and then at 12 o'clock I lunch, and then at 12 half past I study English um, and medicine at 1 half past. The next day, Tuesday, I wake up at the same hour, 5 half past, and after I gonna take a shower, and after 6 half past I get ready to go to the hospital, and I start the study at the hospital at 7 o'clock at the morning, and finish my routine at 11 half past. I then lunch and then study English and study medicine. If you look that on Wednesday at morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock at morning. I get ready at the hospital at 7 half past, and I start to study at the hospital at 8 half past, and finish at 11 half past at morning. After and then I lunch at 12 o'clock, and then study English. I start at 12 half past and finish on 1 o'clock. At 1 half past I always go to the gym on Wednesday. Okay, and Thursday morning I always wake up at 5 half past, and after take a shower, and after get ready to go to the hospital, and I start to study at the hospital at 7 o'clock at morning, and finish at 11 half past and 12 half past. I always lunch. Okay, Friday, two, I wake up at 5 half past, and I get ready to go to the hospital at 6 half past at morning, and I start to study at the hospital at 7 o'clock at morning, and finish this routine at 11 half past at morning. And I lunch at 12 o'clock. Saturday is the same routine, and the different things I do at at and different things I do at afternoon is do my homeworks, gym time. I study our medicine, our English. I always prepare my dinner at normally at um, 6 o'clock at night, and all the days I visit my mother, and normal I sleep at night, half past at night, or 10 o'clock at night. Thank you.